Scantic Valley Antique Engine Club held their 35th annual Engine and Tractor Show at the Four Town Fairgrounds in Somers, Connecticut on May 19th and 20th, 2012. The show seems to have something for everybody, with one-cylinder engines ranging from the 2-horsepower Monarch running the Myers pump and pump jack, up to the 45-horsepower Bovaird and Safang Manufacturing Company oil pumping engine. There were several types of trucks, including a fire truck. There was even a 1929 Ford Model A sedan automobile. There were a large number of tractors at the show, many of them Farmalls and John Deeres from the 1940s and 50s. There was a McCormick Deering wheel tractor and also a crawler tractor on display. Both of these, I presume, were from the 1920s. Tractors by Oliver, Ford, Case, Massey Harris, and Massey Ferguson were also in attendance. One of the more unusual exhibits was a cutaway of a 283 cubic inch displacement Chevrolet V8 engine, which was created for the 1960 World's Fair.